Alright, welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually add frequencies and simulate on your V8 satellite finder. So if it's a new finder that you don't know how to actually add the frequencies, all you got to do is to press on the menu on your finder. So menu here, come to satellite installation. You have many options over here, so put it on a satellite installation and press OK on it. So here we have the satellite list. On this page you have the satellite list over here, and on the right side of the page you have the dissect LNB frequencies that you need to actually change if it's not what you are looking for. So to actually add the transponder, you need to select the satellite that you will be adding that transponder in it. So you can select Astra depending on the installation that you are doing. Astra 2A, 2B, Eurotelsat, Arabsat. So let's select this Arabsat. After selecting and then highlighting it like this, the next step is to actually proceed to add the transponder. So to add the frequency and simulate, which in all you categorize as transponder, you need to press on the back button on your remote as the command says on your screen. So press on the back button on your V8 finder. Alright, it doesn't come with the remote. Here you have the frequency that have been installed on it already, so you have to add, and for you to add you need to press on the red button on the finder to get the add option. Alright, so red here, and you need to add. So if it's multi-TV, just add 1, 2, 5, 2, 5, and you come down here, simulate 30K, polarity, vertical, and then you save, press OK to save, and you highlight it just as this. And the next thing is to connect your cable and then start tracking to get your signal. Alright, so after connecting the cable, the signal intensity and then the signal quality will actually show for you to know that you are having a signal or the cable is working. So the signal quality will not show only when you are having a stable signal, but the signal intensity have to show. Alright, so let me add the frequency that I'm having a stable signal on it for you to know how it will appear over here. So I need to add another one, red to add. So I have a start time stable signal 765 765. Alright, simulate 27500 500 horizontal. Okay, then you connect your cable. So as you can see, after I've connected the cable, the signal intensity and then the signal quality have shown, indicating that you're having a stable signal. So in case you are not having any signal at all, only the signal intensity will show. The signal quality will never show, so you have to adjust this like this to get a stable signal, and you do whatever you want to do with it. You proceed with scanning to get your channels. Alright, so that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, and you hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.